Welcome to all. I thank you for your subscription and watching this session. Today we discuss the some of the points related to paper machine breaks. Normally the paper maker, the paper machine people may tell paper breaks, but each and every breaks should be concluded. If it is a 14-year machine, the breaks it may be occur at coach on press brake and dryers, before size press, after size press, at calendar, at popril. So we have to define where the breaks it occurs. If it couch, the couch breaks may be due to the lumps particle present in the pulp slurry, that is called web. The consistency after leaving the couch or pulp mat is 18 to 20 percentage. It contains gritty matter or paper lumps or the hold and roll coating may cause the breaks. The peculiar reasons I have experienced some mills, the couch drive variation, the vacuum variation. Couch drive speed variation is directly related to electrical. Vacuum variation is directly related to pulp water absorbency, that is called SR. So we have to observe the couch brakes. Then press brakes. Press brakes may be due to the poor doctor played operations and felt condition. In the dryer brakes maybe occurs due to the water drops which can fall from the roof, or sometimes the fluff which has accumulated in the surface of the dryer used to be aired out. We have to use air hose and remove the fluff. This is the main. The fluff will fall into the paper web. It may cause breaks. Then size press breaks. The size press breaks may be due to the low starch concentration and the poor temperature, more dilution, and the speed variation between the front and back roll. Then input angle and takeoff angle and speed variation in the drive. These are the reasons in size press. You can see many times if the order change or something, you can see the continuous press brakes. That time we have to stop the size press and clean by it, pure water, and we have to synchronize the speed, check the speed. After that we should pass the paper. And another thing is the wettability of paper web before size press cob. It should be very important. The wettability of paper, it should be resistant to some other time. So normally the before size press cob is maintained 60 to 80 according to the filler and furnace ratio. After that the break occurs at calendar. Calendar due to some gritty matters, lumps like that. Then popril breaks. Popril breaks normally occurs while the parent roll changing. So these are the main steps involving in the paper machine, whether it is a 14-year or Yankee or high-speed machines. Without coach, without press, without dryer, there is no paper machine. Only thing is the headbox design, the wire design, the twin wire or single 14-year wire. There are a lot of configurations in wire and press part. So we have the fundamental and basic principle is 14-year. So the fundamental and 14-year principles involved in the theory and the design of paper machines. We should read the volume 1, volume 2, RSD Pandey. This volume, book 1, volume 2, clearly explains the what are the basic and fundamental principles involving paper making concepts. Within 10 seconds, entire property of paper is decided in the wire part. Once the paper has consolidated at 18 to 20 percentage consistency, which will leave the couch, entire property of physical strength has been concluded in the couch itself. After that, the pressing will give the tightening between the fiber to fiber. After that, drying is carry over. Whether it is size press or without size press, it is not a matter. So the brakes we have to analyze where it occurs. So as a paper maker, as a lab or R&D people, it is not a matter. We have to observe the paper machine. The paper machine will tell the health of these each and every equipment. We have to synchronize with our thoughts with the paper machine. So the synchronization is must for each and every people those who are involved in paper machine operations, not only paper machine operations, those who are involved in digester, bleaching, washing area. So you should synchronize with your equipment. That is called ownership. So please be attentive with the brakes. Find out the root cause. We will success to eliminate the break next time. Thank you. Thank you. Watch my these sessions. Please subscribe and share. We will meet soon ahead. Thank you.